Hey guys, Yogesh here from Utilize Your Business, and in this video I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial on how I come up with the YouTube content that helps me rank my videos. And stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to tell you exactly how you can also get access to this tool, and it has a free trial, so stick around. Welcome back. So the software I use is Morningfame, and I use their keyword search for any topics that I want to come up with in a YouTube. So the first thing what you do is I just type in the topic, just brainstorming what I'm wanted to make my video on. So I just come up with how to be successful as an affiliate marketer. That's just a keyword search, and let's see what it comes up with. Now, I only use for the smaller channels. I always use for the smaller channels since while I'm making this video, my channel is not that big. So just about so I use it for that, and I look for which one has a tick mark. So best affiliate marketing programs, how to find the best. How to succeed with the affiliate marketing. So that's pretty good. And then it tells you exactly, subscriptor, which is D. So it tells you the grade A to F, and you should get a small channel should at least aim for B, right? So let's see how the competition is. When I choose here, so the competition is too high. Okay, so I need to come up with the longer keywords. So actually, how about this? How to promote legendary marketers. They're pretty good in affiliate marketing. It's one of the top programs that I promote. So let's see how to promote legendary marketer. Do we have any? Okay, so we got B, C, D, A. So I'm pretty sure. So this is all the gives you an idea of other people, other channels doing this. So what you can do is just go to step 4. Right, so we have it. We have a topic, how to promote legendary marketer. Right, so right here, how to promote legendary marketer, and then you can do a description, try to get at least 20%, and then this is the tip. So you can just try to adding a few extra words at the end of the title to intrude people to click on a video. So how to promote legendary marketer, I should get it after simple guide. How to promote legendary marketer easily. Right, so something like that. You can put it on to give it, and then these are all the tags that comes in here automatically. But what I really liked about this is they also have suggestions. So you can just copy this, and then you can get suggestion, and it gives you suggestion how to promote legendary marketer, how to do that, and it has all this. What I usually do is anything with a cross. So what I do is I keep the check mark and remove all others. Yes, and then I slowly start adding more with it, and then these are all the thumbnails that it gives you an idea of all the thumbnails that you can use to gives you a brainstorm of what thumbnails you want to use, and then you can make all the notes and you can save it, and voila, your keyword data is saved. Once you go, and what I'll do is you can just copy and paste to your YouTube when you're actually putting the uploading the video. So it saves you a lot of time, and this way it ranks your video up. And I've already done video on this, and a lot more videos will be coming out when I'm using this techniques to get my YouTube channel up, thinking of all the topics. So if you want to start, there's a free trial for the Morningfame. There's a link in the description for the free trial that you can start it and see how it'll grow your channel. Believe me, it has started growing my channel a lot. All right, guys, see you for the next video. Bye.